Where does wealth come from? Smoky back rooms, trust funds, country club handshakes, boardroom contracts. Where do we, the people, find the opportunity for such wealth in a world fractured by the architects of chaos, disarray, disease, and disparity? A world we are so unsure about, yet through the fire and brimstone, the disconnect, and the despair, our futures are taking a stand. Turning from the precipice and moving towards deep waters and clear skies, we can march onwards towards a future already happening, blazed by the mechanized hands of cryptocurrency and blockchain. But where do we find that opportunity? How do we tap into it? The opportunity comes from you. It comes from me. It comes from us. The opportunity for unprecedented wealth and freedom comes from Tron Case. Tron Case is a revolutionary company automated by direct human connection and groundbreaking blockchain technology to drive wealth building out of the boardrooms and into the communities. The greatest transfer of wealth is currently happening through cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Tron Case is utilizing next-generation smart contracts to fuel next-level passive income opportunities. Look at companies like GoFundMe, Coinbase, Cash App, Kickstarter, and Patreon that are disrupting the equity and investment markets. Now, go beyond that. Tron Case takes passive earning to a whole new stratosphere. By using a groundbreaking sales structure with smart contracts on the Tron blockchain, they are removing the need for banks, human intervention, hacking, and even governments to build your wealth and your future. With Tron Case, you can get paid every second or every minute of every day, starting from day one. By using Tron, which has a market cap at nearly $2 billion and enabling over 2,000 transactions per second, we take back the power to move the value-based market with our generosity and outreach, creating wealth for ourselves, our causes, and our communities. No fees, no delays, no middlemen. Period. Tron Case offers a unique opportunity to make money starting on day one with full access to every level immediately. You can be getting paid 1 to 1.5% per day, compounding daily, and without having to recruit or be forced to upgrade. With a groundbreaking system of commerce like this, that is fully verified and audited by a third party on the blockchain, you can start with only 100 Trons, around $3, and referrals get paid directly to your Tron wallet. Don't wait. There are tons of great leadership bonuses and country manager positions available instantly. The world revolves around revolutions. The giants of industry were monoliths, built from foraging ideas and need. Steel, oil, and iron. Technology, information, and bandwidth. Now the arch of prosperity turns yet again towards the next age of revolution, to the power of blockchain. The power of Tron Case.